Hey, you guys, welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time here, welcome. So, today I would like to answer one of the common questions I have under my relaxer videos. And the question is, in today's time, 2025, why are people still getting a relaxer knowing it causes cancer? Now, this question, I do understand the concerns. And it's very easy to just close up this question with saying because they want to. But what I would like to do is put more education behind the answer and hopefully sum up and close up that question for you guys. So let's talk about it. Are professionals wrong for applying relaxers to clients? And also, do professional relaxer cause cancer? Let's talk. Black women wearing their hair straight has been one of the many beautiful hairstyles we have enjoyed over time for many years. From straightening out our hair with a beautiful, lovely, bouncy silk press to wearing something that's slowly becoming very popular, texturizer and keratin treatments, and taking advantage of something that has been a staple in the black salon for many, many years, a relaxer. But cancer, that's where all of the concern comes from because people really believe Black women prioritize a hairstyle over their own health. New York Times has printed multiple articles about hair relaxers in the health of Black women's hair. And in this video, I will be sharing some of that information and more research I have found. The relaxers that's under the lawsuit: olive oil, dark and lovely, just for me, Ultimum, Motion, TCB, soft and beautiful. So the question is, why are hair products marketed to Black women with so little oversight? By the New York Times, it indicated that the researcher reached out to the FDA and asked them why haven't they banned cosmetics that has phthalate in it. The FDA spokeswoman replied by email indicating they do not have enough research to ban the chemical phthalate in the United States. This is where you have to take in consideration of making your own judgment, gathering research to educate yourself, and paying attention to history to make your own personal decision. Something I stress so much in all of my chemical videos is please go to a professional to get any chemical service done. I believe this is something that is very important, not just for the safety of your hair, but due to the education they have. And then make sure the stylist is using professional products. That is also important as well. And as you guys seen previously, all of the relaxers that is under the lawsuit are store bought relaxers, which is considered store buy products. Me as a professional, I do not trust store bought products when it comes to chemical products. I'm sorry, I do not. I like to get professional products and professional products only. Now, at my salon, I do use the Affirm system. This system is not a relaxer that is on the lawsuit. And of course, I will continue to use this system because it is safe to today's date. And if that so happen to change, then of course I will make the changes in the salon. Relaxer is a service that's been part of the Black salon since the beginning of time. Before relaxers went mainstream in 1957, it was only sold to hairstylists at the salon, like Mary Kay workers going door to door to promote their professional relaxers to only professionals with small educational classes on how to use the product. Once the relaxer was sold to the customer, and to remove the middleman out the picture, which is the stylist, so the customer can do the service at home themselves for many reasons to save on money, easy inconvenience, and more. This is when accidents occurred, chemical burns increased, product was diluted to sell to more people, and the lack of education and care wasn't there. So, what's the answer to the question? Are hairstylists wrong? And are they giving their clients cancer? And the short answer is no. If the hairstylist is researching the professional products they are using in the salon and they make sure the ingredients is safe for the clients is in good hands. This is where I believe the clients should go back to the salon, get you a professional that knows what they are doing and care about your hair. You do need the education in between chemicals. Do not do this at home. This is something I highly suggest. And please keep in mind all relaxers that is part of this lawsuit are relaxers that is sold at your local stores. Okay, so that's the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for staying and stopping by. Remember to like, share, and comment down below. If you would like to book a service or a consultation, remember you can go to my website at www.my2goldenhands.com. And remember to always drink your water for healthy hair, skin, and nails. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.